When we talk about bench planes in the workshop, they fall into two different categories. One is called Bevel-Up and one is called Bevel-Down. The Bevel-Down configuration is what you'll find in a traditional bench plane. The bevel is always facing down in use. It's topped with a cap iron. The other category is called a Bevel-Up configuration. The obvious reason is that the bevel is facing up, and in this particular case there is no cap iron. So which one would you choose? The fact is they both do the same job. The advantage that the Bevel-Up configuration has is that you can create or purchase irons with different bevels, and that gives you the ability to attack the wood at a lower or higher angle. Now, why does that matter? Well, if you're using a wood that is prone to tear out, like curly maple or something that's got a lot of wild grain, you want a higher angle so that the cutting edge actually does more scraping than actually slicing. So that's one advantage that a Bevel-Up plane can bring you. Now, a Bevel-Up plane with a 15-degree bed angle, meaning that the iron sits at a 15-degree angle, and with a 25-degree bevel, gives you a combined angle of about 40 degrees where it attacks the wood. If you look at a traditional bench plane, it's between 40 and 45 degrees as well. So the angle of attack on a normal plane is about the same whether it's Bevel-Up or Bevel-Down. The advantage is that the Bevel-Up plane gives you the ability to change that angle of attack simply by switching out the blades with a different bevel angle.